The refreshed 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLA class range has been revealed, featuring an updated look, improved technology, and powertrain upgrades. The updated models will go on sale in the US later this year, with pricing to be announced closer to their arrival. The CLA's AMG lineup includes the 35 and 45S models. The 45S now produces 416 horsepower, an increase from the previous 382 horsepower. Torque also increases to 369 pound-feet, up from 354. Mercedes has not changed the estimated time for acceleration to 60 miles per hour, which remains at 4.0 seconds. The AMG models also receive a new front fascia. The headlights and taillights have revised graphics. The 45S is available with the AMG Aerodynamics Package Plus, which includes a fixed rear spoiler. Inside, the new upholstery options include a mix of sage gray and black MB-Tex or an optional combination of red and black leather. Open-pore brown linden wood trim is also available. An updated steering wheel has two stacked spokes at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions.